In this lecture, we are going to work on fetching delete user API. So inside this admin slice, copy this complete function. Below this paste, I will change delete user profile. I will change the function name. I will be passing delete user. Copy this and here I will be pasting. And while deleting the user, we only have to accept user ID. So I will be passing user ID. I will remove this curly braces and also I will be removing this role. Why? Because for deleting user, we only need user ID. So in this way, I will be passing. And inside this try block, let me come to user route. For deleting, we have to pass delete request. And this will be our exact same route. You can see admin slash user slash ID. So this will be our exact same route. From here, I am not passing any data. So I am just going to remove. And finally, I'm just returning data. And inside this delete user, we are having success as well as we are having message property in the backend. So what we will do, let me close this. Inside this state, I will create the property message and initially I'm just going to assign null. Below this, I will be creating action creator, clear message, and for this, I'm just going to assign this function, copy. Here I will be pasting. Then for this message, simply I'm just going to assign null. As soon as this action is dispatched, whatever message or backend message we have assigned to this state, that will be cleared. After creating this action, we have to export this action. So here I will be passing clear message. Scroll down. Below this, I'm just going to copy this and here I will be pasting. Inside this, I will pass delete user, copy, paste and paste. Inside pending and rejected, we don't have to change anything, but here I will be writing fail to delete user, copy, and inside this error message, I'm just going to paste. Okay, now inside pending and rejected, we don't have to change anything, but inside this fulfilled, along with this loading, what I have to access? I have to access message. Instead of success, I will be accessing message. And here I'm just going to paste. If you want, you can also pass success and accordingly, if success is true, you can display this message to user.